all, welcome to the channel. I'm Joe from Wicked Fabs, and I'm joined here with Pat from A&A Truck and Off-Road here in Dallas, PA. And it is the 100 plus subscriber giveaway time. Here's what you get. The winner will get their choice of one of these car antennas. They're the 50 cal one. So I'd like to take this time to thank all the supporters and all the subscribers to the channel. And without all you guys, we wouldn't have been able to get this drawing off. So, no further ado, I'm going to have Pat here draw the lucky winner. And the winner is Nicola Weisinger. So Nicola Weisinger, you are the winner of this giveaway. And what you would need to do is either contact me, email me. My email's in the description, or I'll also try and contact you. So once again, I'd like to thank all my supporters for subscribing and keep hitting that like button. I'm Joe from Wicked Fabs. This is Pat from A&A Truck and Off-Road here in Dallas, PA. And driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll it. Wicked Fabs!